Hi dear friends, welcome all of you to my today's video. Today I would like to give a detailed explanation regarding how to create video lessons with animated characters. So it is very simple application I would like to introduce for you. It's a mobile app, it's a free app. We can use different characters. We can use already created characters or we can create our own characters. So it's simple one. I would like to introduce you all Plotagon. So first of all, we have to download the application from Google Play Store. So here you have to search the name. So this is the application. Plotagon is the application. So with this one, we are going to create, and we can also give audios, our own audios in any language we can give to create animated characters. So first of all, I would like to open the application. So from your mobile, any platform, any OS, you can create the application. You can create the videos with the support of this application. So this is the first window. Here we have to create the video. Before that, I would like to give some instruction regarding this. So you have to remember, we can give our own videos, our own audios. We can give whatever it may be the content we want to convey into our classrooms. So first of all, click create video. So there will be one window with some default background. So we can give attractive backgrounds within simple steps. Simple steps we can create our own videos. So first of all, here a cafe background is given. If you want to change the cafe background, just click on the top. Just look at here, cafe written CAFE, cafe. Just click there. So we will get lot of free backgrounds. Some backgrounds having this down arrow button we can download, and the buttons with the bucket we can purchase. So bulk of backgrounds we can download, simple backgrounds we can download. So first of all, we have to fix the background. Lot of backgrounds are there, different backgrounds are there. School, classroom, hostel, hospital, lot of backgrounds are there. We can use to make the colorful video tutorials. So I'm going to select a sample one. So suppose I would like to familiarize how to download. Just click this one, computer. Now it is downloading, and when it is downloaded, automatically it will open the background section. So I think it will take too much time due to the range problem. It will take too much time, but now it is open. So automatically it will change the background of my video. After that, we have to select the actor's character. So it is one of the different variety specialty of this application. We can create our own actor. Suppose you want to bring already existing one actor means one character having 3D movement. Just click here, no actor. From that option we can select different actors. So click here. So here also some characters we can purchase, but some characters are there of free use. We will get some characters to Jessica, Lizzie, Mr. Hernandez, Scott, like characters we will get free. Just click on particular character like this. Click on this character. Jessica will appear there. So the character is added here. Behind the chair, just look at here, behind the chair. We can click, by clicking that option, we can change the position of the character, chair. Now she is sitting on the chair. Just click on sitting on the chair. We can bring behind the chair. So we can change the position of this character. So I would like to change, create on actor, create on character of me. So what we have to do? Press the create character. By pressing create character, we can create our own character also. We can bring, very well, some of the animated videos with our respected president, American president Donald Trump also created using this application. So here we can create on character. So here we can select whether the character is male or female. So I would like to create on male character. So click on male. Already the male is appearing. If you want female, click female. It automatically will change. So I would like to create on male character. I had selected on male character. So from the first option, we can change the shape, body, everything, dress, eye, everything of this character. So look at the face. We can bring different options. Nothing to do, just click on particular face option. So by clicking each face, you can change it. Some options we have to download, then only it will work. So we have to download it. So whatever it may be, we have to choose on application, on face. Then we can change the color of the face by clicking on these options. In the bottom, we can change the color of the face also. So what is the next we want to do? So by clicking the hairstyle, we can change the hairstyle of the character also. So look at the hairstyle we want to change. Click on the particular hairstyle. If you want to download the hairstyle also, we can select particular hairstyle also. Oh, if we not want, just click on the undo icon. So it is removed. So look at this. We can change the color. So lot of hairstyles are available. You can use according to your ideas. So this is one thing. So we can bring maximum changes in this character. So I would like to bring so many changes. So after that, we can rename the character also. So we can give our own name instead of any other teacher's name or anything we can give. So look at this one. So we can bring a lot of changes. So whatever it may be, you have to plan it thoroughly how to make the changes. So on glass, yes, this one I would prefer this one. And we can also change the dresses. We can bring a lot of traditional costumes to the character. Modern as well as traditional costumes are available. T-shirts, cotton shirts, executive shirts, whatever it may be. Traditional dressings and dressings of different king's dressing is here. A lot of executive dressings also available. So we can select particular one. So most of the items we have to download. Only no need to pay any money. We can download by clicking just that image. So I had created one character. So whatever it may be, we can change the color. Look at the bottom. We can change the color. So also we can change more. Just click on the particular pant or any other dress you want to use. Now it is changed. Shoes also we can change, different models also here. So whatever it may be, I would like to give my name. Click on the text A. There, by clicking there, we can give my name or your name. Whatever it may be you are wishing to change, you can give it. So just press done. Lot of other options are there. I will give explanation in the next video. Okay, so now the character is created. Automatically it will be there. It will be there with the other characters. Now it is loading. So I would like to add my character also, Prashant, in the background. So instead of Jessica, automatically it is added. So if you want to add more characters, again press the no character, add more other characters. You can purchase or you can use the free characters. I would like to use Jessica. So it is one of the simple application we have to set like this. But dear friends, I would like to move with only one character. Next time I will give the explanation how to bring two characters in a scene and to give dialogues for each character. So I would like to remove one character. I have to move with a single character. Okay, so how just be very careful. You have to watch till the last minute. Okay, so I am going to give audio for this character. How to give the audio? So you can see in the bottom of the window on scene, first rounded figure is that icon is for adding more scenes in the video, and the next chat icon is for giving audio for single character. So first of all I have to select the character. So here I am selecting Prashant. Okay, I already selected. So press the chat box. First of all you have to press the chat box, then select the actor. By pressing on the no actor, you have to select the character for which we have to give the audio. So I am selecting the character Prashant. Then what are the additional features we have? We have to use it. We can change lot of expression of this character. Just click on the neutral icon. You can make lot of changes, lot of emotion. We can bring lot of feelings, emotions on the face of the character. Just look at his. Now I would like to change on mode of this character, happy. Press the happy mode. Now he is in a happy mode. How we can feel it? We can feel it by pressing on the play button. So when we give more audio to this icon, we will get the feelings like that. So just look at here, lot of emotions are there. Angry. Oh. So we have to give audio. We have two options for adding audio to this character. Look at here, write dialogue here or record your voice. So we can write the dialogue that the teacher wants to talk, or with the audio icon we can create, we can record. So I would like to move through the easy process. I am going to record the audio. Then only we can express our own emotions to the children. So look at very carefully, press the audio recording icon. Recording icon you have to press. So we will get the additional pop-up window to record our video. So press on the red icon, then we will get the option for recording audio. So I am going to record the voice. Press the red icon. Okay. So allow our mobile system for recording the audio. So dear friends, today we are going to watch how to create the characters with the support of Plot Again mobile app, and also we will learn how to create the character in our mobile phone. Also we can create wonderful videos with the support of this application. So don't miss it. You have to watch up to the last moment of this video, how to create the character, how to save the character, how to bring the changes in the character, also how to give audio for that particular character, then how to save the character into video. So don't miss it. You have to watch the video. Don't miss to share the video to your friends. Okay, friends. So now I am going to add the audio to my character. So by pressing the green play button, you can hear the voice. Mobile system for recording the audio. So dear friends, today we are going to watch how now you have to click on the green icon with the tick mark to add the audio to your character. So dear friends, just look what is the marvelous effect we are going to feel in this application. So just click on the tick mark. Now we are going to play the video. On the left top mark there is a play button. Just press the play button. Mobile system for recording the audio. So dear friends, today we are going to watch how to create the characters with the support of Plot Again mobile app, and also we will learn how to create the character in our mobile. So now we next going to watch how to convert this section into video. That is the main important thing. Here on the top right of the mobile there is an arrow. There is an arrow on the top. You have to press that icon to render the video. Rendering is the next process. So press on the icon, again press render video, export with subtitles. Now the video is rendering. Rendering means it is saving into MP4 format. We will get high quality HD video through this application. So we have to wait for few minutes to complete the process. So don't forget, please don't forget all the steps. From the very beginning we are opening, creating the video, then we are selecting on background, then we are selecting on actor, or we are creating the actor. After that we are giving the audio we can edit. So that audio is added to the character, then the process is rendering. So after rendering completes, we will get the video, complete video in MP4 format. Now the editing process is completed. So the rendering is over. Now we have to save the file. We can share directly from here, or we can copy to our phone memory or any other remote memory. Okay, maybe in our memory card we can save it. So I would like to copy the file to my phone memory. So press on the copy to folder icon on the right side. Copy to, press copy to. So I would like to save it in my internal storage. Here we can save the character. Just click the paste. We have to click the paste button. Okay, so this is what regarding how to create the video. Here we can rename our video. I would like to give a suitable name for my video before uploading to the class or to the YouTube or any other platform. So I have selected my video, then going to rename it. So renaming video lesson. So we can do maximum type of editing. Better planning is needed before creating the video. Now I would like to present my video by opening the, we will get the high quality video. Look at this. Mobile system for recording the audio. And we will get the best audio. Today we are going to watch how to create the characters with the support of Plot Again mobile app. So we can create wonderful videos how to bring the character into video. So don't miss it. You have to watch the video. Don't miss to share. So dear friends, this is what regarding Plot Again. Hope it is very useful for you. If you are feeling this video is much useful for you, don't forget to share with your friends, and definitely without any technical knowledge you can create wonderful video tutorials for in any language, in your mother tongue or in any other language very easily without any other video editing application. Thank you for your patient listening. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Also ask them to watch the full video. Thank you for your patience. Thank you so much. See you later. Bye bye.